In this video you will see how to add page number in Word on Mac. It's very easy. To add page number in document, you need to click here on the Insert tab, and here you will see the option of page number. Just click on it and you will see this option of page number. After clicking on it, you will see this page number window. Here you can see the preview. Right now the page number is in the bottom in the footer. So you can select the position you want, top of a page or bottom of a page in header or footer. So for example, I am selecting header, and as you can see the page number has moved here. We can also align the page number at left, center or right, and there are other options as well. So I am selecting here center. And if you want to insert the Roman numerals, you need to click here on the format option, and next to the page format you can select Roman numerals if required. For this tutorial I am just selecting Arabic, and then click on OK, and then click on OK. As you can see the page number appears here now. And if you go to the next page will also have the page number. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to start page number from second page or different page. See you again in the next one.